Many new players coming to IL-2 think of it as just another aerial combat game, but there are so many more dimensions to it. Historical tactical air power was there to support the ground units to push the front line forward. And today we're going to look at an outstanding server, which will put you in the role of defending your positions and attacking their positions at the same time. And yes, we're talking about a little known server called the Advanced and Secure Planes and Tanks. There are several maps in which both sides send their tanks to the objectives, which are heavily defended by AAA and defensive positions. Objectives are marked by flags for either side, and the AAA is extremely deadly. So nullifying the AAA is your first order of business. There are both Allied and Axis AI aircraft which attack the ground units as well. These are not particularly difficult to deal with, but the AAA is a menace. You can't see it, and it's deadly. So where do you find the server? Right here. So on the screen you'll get the basic rules on how to play this scenario. So we have one airfield for the Allies and an emergency airfield, two German airfields and their emergency airfield. Then we have the area of operations, which are represented by these 5 different squares. Each capture of the flag moves the front line forward, and as you can see here, the Germans have 3 out of 5 squares. Although there are other targets to attack, I'm not sure what effect they have on the front line. So read the information on the right hand side and it'll explain what the different symbols are. This server does have complex engine management turned on, but you also have TechnoChat and the GPS icon on the map to show you where you are. Orienting ourselves on the map is quite simple as we approach from the north. Anything to the left hand side of the river is friendly and anything to the right is enemy. And it's no easy matter to identify which are friend and foe. But we need to develop that skill very quickly as these 8 Shermans roar towards their objective. Defensive positions are well hidden and difficult to find. And flying in between trees and buildings is not my favorite pastime. One of our tanks has made it to the Russian position, but is being engaged by the tank in the bunker. So I am giving him support, and hopefully I can destroy this tank. And if we're successful in these types of attacks, then we help to move the front line forward and capture another objective. Everything we do is about supporting the ground units. This is an excellent team versus team game because it requires so many more types of skills than just trying to dogfight, with us in the supporting role. The smoke by the crossroads is a dead T-34 as the 3 German panzers approach down the road. Our objective is on this side of the road, and if one of them reaches it, we lose it. Head to head with flak, never a good idea, but I didn't have much choice. All round an excellent platform for gunnery, rocketry and bombing of moving targets. These things move pretty damn fast. Awesome stuff. So now let's just have a quick look at the emergency airfields, the RRR airfields, which are the rearm, repair and refuel airfields. So each side has one. You have to land on the airfield and taxi right up to the smoke where the fire and the fuel is. Take a look at the instructions on the main screen and it'll tell you which buttons to press to rearm, refuel and repair your aircraft. So plan to taxi up to the fire and then turn around so you can get out easily. Then you'll shut your engine off. The TechnoChat on the right hand side of the screen will tell you how your rearming, refueling and repairing process is going. You're only flying a few kilometers, so you don't need to take full fuel. And once you're ready to go, start your engine, take off, and go take care of business. And yes, of course, take the opportunity to get rid of some of those pesky AI airplanes. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope to see you on this server. I think it deserves a good deal of support. Check it out.